Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So let's go ahead right now and create a blog section for the store. It's very easy actually. Go back to the Shopify dashboard and then click online store, click blog posts. Here I have 3 blog posts that I'm going to get an inspiration from. First one, second one, third one. So but first off, go back to Shopify and then click here on create a blog post, right? So I'm going to go to this blog post and just copy the title and some text. Obviously, this is copyright infringement, but I'm just showing you how to create a blog post. So add the title to your blog post. Make sure that you write it yourself or to hire somebody to write it for you. In this case, just to show you, I'm copying from another blog. And here, copy the base of your blog. And of course, you can add images, you can insert videos, you can do a bunch of stuff. You can insert bullet lists, numbered lists. It's almost as if you're working on Microsoft Word. Here, the visibility, I'm going to make it visible. And let's give it an image. All right, so the image I'm going to give it is blog number 1, right? And click on save. So this is your first blog. Go back. Let's create our second blog, which is this one. So let's go copy the title over here. Copy, go back here to Shopify and click add new blog post. This is the second blog. So paste, go back to the blog. Let's get the text from the blog. Simply go back here, paste it, click on visible, go back to the blog, right? So this is the photo, go back here, and then I'm gonna add an image for my blog. So the image is this, blog 2, I already have it, and then click on save. So let's go ahead right now and create our third blog. So I'm going to go and copy this text. All right, so let's go back, click here, and then add blog post, then paste. And of course, I have to tell you that having a blog post section on your store is absolutely amazing because not only does it keep subscribers engaged or does it keep your customers engaged, but it also can be a way to drive customers to your store. Because when customers know that you are a Naruto fanatic and that you have information that you can share the latest news about Naruto on your store, they might consider coming back for this. They might consider coming back to get some information. And so not only does it contribute to your SEO, it also contributes to your brand as a store. So right now that we have added 3 blog posts, as you can see over here, I want you to go back to the online store, click on customize, and then I want you to stay where you are and then scroll down to the bottom, click on add section right underneath the email sign up, right? And click blog posts. Now, of course, we want to display blog posts on top of the email sign up. So I'm going to take it and put it on top of it, right? So right now, this is how it displays. So now we have added our blog posts. Let's go ahead and add the PayPal payment gateway. And one last thing here, let's just change from blog posts to say latest news. So I'm going to copy and paste this, make it large. And then here, the background color, let's keep it white. Here, the padding, let's make it 60 at the top, 60 at the bottom. And then click on save. So let's go ahead and activate PayPal to get payments.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.